Hi everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 new DIYs that I made using Dollar Tree items and things that I just have around my home, and they turned out amazing with a really high-end look and budget friendly. Guys, once Christmas is over we still have the winter season, and I decided to decorate my home very neutral with greens and whites and blacks and the natural wood texture. So this video is all about that, and I really hope that you like it and that you enjoy this video as much as I do creating all these DIYs. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video, and let's get started. For this first project, I'm going to be using this big firewood piece that I have at home, and you can get this from your backyard, or I get this one actually from Home Depot. Those are the ones that you can buy for your fireplace. And I want to put a few candles on the top of this wood, so I'm going to be measuring and I'm going to mark to make sure that my candles are going to have the same separation space between each one. Once you have all the marks on your wood piece, I'm going to be using this drill bit that I get from Home Depot, and I'm going to be making the holes to be able to put the candles inside, and that way they're going to stay there and they're not going to fall down. And it is super easy to do. Just try to make some pressure to the wood to be able to make the holes with this drill bit. Okay, once you have all the holes in your wood piece, I'm going to be inserting these taper candles, and I get them from Dollar Tree, and these ones are white, but Dollar Tree sell them in so many colors, and you can change the color depending on the season. I decided to get white ones because of this winter season, and I really love how they look, and they are very neutral. Once I put all the candles on the holes, I'm going to be adding some foliage or any greenery that you have. I decided to reuse these ones that I have at home for like years and years and years, and I'm going to be adding some hot glue on the wood to be able to stick each one of these peaks. Once I put all the picks that I have, I think I need something else, so I decided to add some pine cones here and there to be able to cover and make those empty spaces look a little bit fuller. Once I was done, this will be the result, and I really love how this project turned out. Basically, I have all the things at home. I just buy 2 packages of these candles from Dollar Tree, and I'm in love how it turned out. It was super simple. It looks amazing with a high-end look, and it is perfect for your centerpiece in the dining table. Okay guys, for the next project, I'm going to be using this craft fabric that I found at the Dollar Tree, and it is so beautiful. It is white and it has so many beautiful designs on it. It has like snowflakes and small stars and flowers. I don't know, but I think it's just perfect for the winter. So I decided to fold my fabric in half, and you can sew these if you want, but I decided to make it simple and just use hot glue. You can use any fabric glue if you have it, and I'm going to be gluing 2 sides of these fabric. I'm going to be making a throw pillow cover, so I need to leave one side open to be able to fill these cover. Okay, once you have glued the sides, you can turn the fabric over so this pillow cover is straight, and then you can do so many things, guys. You can use your Cricut and make a decal for this pillow cover. You can leave it like that if you like it. I decided to make a stencil with my Cricut, and I wrote baby, it's cold outside. I think it's just the perfect phrase for the winter. So I made a stencil, and then I put a transfer tape on it to be able to stick it later on my piece of fabric. As I told you, you can use a stencil, or you can create one with your Cricut, or you can also use maybe stickers, and then you can stick it to your fabric piece. And I really like to use this type of contact paper, clear one, and the neon from Dollar Tree to make stencils, because they are much cheaper than make any stencil using the Cricut vinyl. Now I'm going to be painting all the letters, and for that I'm going to be using this paint. Is my Waverly chalk paint in black color, and I'm going to paint everything very carefully, not too much paint, just to make sure that it's going to look good at the end. And to be able to dry the paint, I'm going to be using my heat tool that I love and I use every time, and I get it from Amazon, and you can find the link in the description box. And once it is dry, you can remove all the stencil. And this is how my pillow cover is looking, and I really love it. I think with these frames it looks amazing for the winter. And now it is time to fill my cover, and you can use any pillow filler that you have, and then you can glue that other side of the pillow with the hot glue. Okay, once you're done, this is how your throw pillow cover is going to look, and I really like it, but I want to give it an extra detail. So I'm going to be using this yarn that I get from Dollar Tree in black color, and they sell these in so many other colors too. I decided to use black to make it a little bit more neutral, and I'm going to be making tassels for the sides of my pillow cover. I made 4 tassels, and then I'm going to be gluing them to each side of my throw pillow cover. Once I was done, this will be the result of this pillow cover, and I really love how it looks. It's just beautiful. It's the perfect size. And guys, I really love and enjoy changing my pillow covers every season, but that can be kind of expensive, and this is a very easy and budget friendly way to do that. For the next project, I'm going to be using this wooden stick that I get from Home Depot. It is a very inexpensive wood piece that you can get, and I'm going to be cutting a few pieces about 18 inches long, and on each side they need to have a 45-degree angle. So I cut every single side of my sticks with my saw machine, and I'm going to need a total of 4 sticks with the same size and the same angles to each side. Once I cut all the sticks, I'm going to be using my sanding machine to be able to sand all the wood and have a smooth surface. From there, I'm going to be painting my wood, and for that I'm going to be using stain, and this color that I love is the special walnut color, and I'm going to paint and then let dry these wooden pieces. If you don't want to use this wood to make your frame, you can use stir sticks from Walmart. They are very inexpensive, only $1. Or you can also use signs from Dollar Tree, or maybe wooden rollers to make your own frame. Once all the sticks are dry, I'm going to be making a frame, and for that I'm going to be first putting all the sticks how I want them to be, and then I'm going to be using wooden glue to be able to stick the sticks together. Once I put all the glue on each side and I stick all the sticks, I'm going to be reinforcing this frame using staples, and I put about, like, I don't know, 3 to 4 staples to each side of this frame. From there, you need to let this dry for a couple hours to make sure that it's strong enough to be able to work with this frame. Now I'm going to be working on the background of my sign, and for that I'm going to be using this piece of cardboard from the mail that I have at home. Or you can use a black foam board from Dollar Tree, and that will work amazing too. I just have like this chalkboard paper at home, also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be wrapping this piece of cardboard as straight as possible to be able to have a black background. Now I'm going to be sticking my piece of cardboard on the back side of my frame once it was completely dry, and you can use hot glue, but just to make it stronger I'm going to be using my stapler, and I'm going to be putting staples on all the edges. Once I was done, this is how my sign is looking for the moment, and I need to put something in the center, so I'm going to be using these Let It Snow wooden sign from Dollar Tree. And first I'm going to be covering that small hole that has on the top with a little bit of sparkling. Now I'm going to be adding some color. I want this to be very neutral, so I decided to go for a white color, and I'm going to paint all my sign and then let it dry. Once the paint is dry, I'm going to be sticking it to the center of my sign with hot glue. Then on one side of this frame, I think it needs a little bit, I don't know, color or something. And I'm going to be putting 2 pine picks on one side with hot glue, and then I'm also going to add a pine cone. To be able to hang this frame on the wall, I'm going to be using this tooth hanger from, I think it's from, I don't know, Home Depot or Walmart, and I'm going to be adding some nails to be able to hang my sign on the wall. Once I was done, this will be the result, and oh my god, I love how it turned out. It looks simple but with a high-end look. I love the colors and that modern look that it has, and it was super budget friendly to do, as well as all my projects in today's video, and I just hope that you like them all. They are perfect for this winter season, and they have very neutral tones, so you can mix and match with your home decor, and I just hope that you like this video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which of these DIYs was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage. You can follow me on my webpage jazomy.com, and also on my other channel Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video, and see you on my next video. Bye guys.